Presenting the brand new INFINIX Hot 60 Pro Plus. Starting with the design and build, the phone measures 164 mm in height, 75.8 mm in width, and just 5.95 mm in thickness. Weighing only 155 grams, it feels light and comfortable in hand. It's built to deliver both vibrant visuals and durability. This phone also provides IP68 dust and water resistance. If we talk about the platform, this phone is running on Android 15 with INFINIX's XOS skin. It ensures a fast and fluid user experience. The phone is powered by the MediaTek Helio G200 chipset. For storage, it offers 128 GB of internal memory along with 8 GB of RAM, giving you plenty of space and smooth multitasking. When it comes to cameras, the rear setup features a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 sensor, capturing detailed and vibrant photos. On the front, there's a 13-megapixel wide-angle selfie camera, capable of shooting up to 2K video at 30 frames per second. Moving on to the display, you get a stunning 6.78-inch LTPS AMOLED screen with a crisp resolution of 1224 by 2720 pixels. With its smooth 144 Hz refresh rate and Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection, this version of phone comes with 3D curved display. In terms of sensors, you'll find an on-screen optical fingerprint reader. For power, the Hot 60 Pro Plus packs a 5160 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging, giving you reliable all-day performance. And on benchmark, it scores around 446,336 on Antutu, improving its strength. So, if you're looking for a sleek smartphone with a beautiful display, strong performance, and reliable cameras, the INFINIX Hot 60 Pro Plus could be the perfect choice for you.